ये थोड़ा सा सैचुरेटेड है, ये थोड़ा सा स्मूथ लग रहा है.
Hello everyone, today we are going to unbox OnePlus Nord. OnePlus phones come with orange color packaging, but for Nord they have this time gone for black and blue combination. If we go to the back, here we have the model number, the price and other details. So let's unbox it with this one.
Yeah. You know. I said, damn, it's gonna be a long night.
This way, Nord. Let's keep this aside. What are the other things inside the box? It's Type-C cable. You need to use this cable to get that fast charging effect with OnePlus devices. Nothing else in the packaging. Oh, we have a cover with it. Nice. Welcome letter. Team Nord. Here we have some stickers, OnePlus stickers. Quick start guide. I think most of us don't read it. Safety informations. Red Club card. It's a unique thing that was only available with OnePlus devices. We also get a SIM ejector tool with OnePlus Smile logo, and here is the case. It's textured case, not just a simple one, and it seems of good quality. Now let's check our phone. This way, Nord. Oh my god, it's beautiful. The color seems crazy. OnePlus stickers. Let's give it the first boot. Regarding the physical overview, it's a pretty light device, I must say, first impression, and the color looks stunning, that blue color. It has in one end alert slider, power button, on the other end volume rockers. On the top there is the screen with two punch holes for camera. Now at the bottom there is the speaker vent, Type-C port, card slot. If we check it, it's a dual SIM device, but it doesn't have any micro SD card slot or something, and not even hybrid slot. It has the waterproof sealing gasket, so it can resist at least minor splash and all. Let's start the device.
Yeah. You know. I said, damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah, let's go. Look. I tell Shorty drop it for a real one. Yeah. Go ahead and pop it, let me feel some. Do it for the boy with a bag now. Movie star money making everybody act out. I don't lie to these women. If I want them, then I tell them. Don't get fly for.
Complete. If we see the initial boot, it's smooth. It didn't take any much time after the system was on to load the screen and all. Let's check the camera. Allow all time. Let's see its focus. It's wide angle lens, and it is that 2x zoom. Initial impression, I will say the camera looks good. After that much zoom also the quality is not that much degraded, but details of this camera we will get in our next camera review. Rest, I will say it's a good phone, and to know more about it we will do a complete review. Till then, stay tuned with us for at Pandeji Ki Suno. Thank you. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
ये थोड़ा सा सैचुरेटेड है, ये थोड़ा सा स्मूथ लग रहा है.